Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a super important topic for all of you UX designers out there, and it's how to avoid having too many layers when working with Figma. And to be honest, I used to be the queen of layers and layers and layers, and always thinking like I would figure it out later and just focus on the UX part and what is needed to be done now. But trust me, learning to manage your layers is going to make your workflow so much smoother and your designs more organized. Let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about components and instances. And if you have elements that appear multiple times in your design, create them as components. So this way you can reuse them without duplicating layers, and this would definitely avoid and prevent that layers chaos. And let me know if you want to see a more detailed video about components and instances, how to create them, how to work with them. So I will do it for you, no problem. But overall, keeping a good track on components and instances helps in maintaining consistency across the design. See how much cleaner that makes that layer panel. And plus, any changes to the components will automatically update all instances, so it's a huge time saver. And next, let's leverage Figma's auto layout feature, and this is a game changer for creating flexible and responsive designs. Auto layout helps maintain consistency and reduce the need for any extra layers to handle spacing or any alignments. Just again, if you need any additional video on that, how to work and handle auto layouts, just drop me a line, I will do it for you. Another tip is to group related elements using frames or groups, and this keeps your layer panel organized and minimizes the number of layers you need to manage individually. And by grouping these elements, you can collapse the group in the layer panel, reducing clutter and making it easier to find whatever you need to find. Also, using styles and assets is another effective way to reduce layers. So apply text styles, color styles, and effects so you can make changes globally without having to navigate through multiple layers. And this not only saves time but also ensures consistency throughout your design. But that's not it. Here are a few more quick tips to keep your Figma files lean and clean. And one of them is naming conventions, and use clean and consistent ways of naming your layers, groups or components. Another one is layer visibility, so hide layers that are not currently in use to declutter your workspace. That would also help with the too many layers that you see on the panel of layers. And then flutter complex vectors. So consider fluttering complex vector shapes once they are finalized, and that would also reduce the clutter. Also consider to use page sections, so organize your designs into different pages if you see that something like is getting out of hand. There you have too many designs and it's difficult to keep track on them. So just organize your designs into different pages or sections probably within the Figma file, and that would also help. And think about merging layers, so combine layers that don't need to be separated, so you can easily merge them together. And last but not least, just from time to time review and clean up your Figma files so it's not getting to this point as you see here. And that's it for today. By following these tips, you can avoid having too many layers in your Figma project, so making your workflow more efficient and your designs more organized is the goal. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!